Hello everyone, welcome to the channel NR Media 24 by 7. My name is Rajesh.
Hello, I'm Nishi.
Today we are going to react to a song from the movie Stree 2. The name of the song is Aaj Ki Raat and it has Tamanna Bhatia in it. The other people in the title credits are Sachin, Madhubanti, Divya and Amitabh. The movie is releasing on 15th August. So let's check this one out.
सुर में गाना सीखिए पाधानीसा ऐप के साथ AI पावर्ड पर्सनल म्यूजिक टीचर फ्रॉम सारेगामा।
आज तक शमा पे परवाना मरता था, लेकिन आज परवाने पे ये शमा मरने को तैयार है।
थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जान कभी बाहों को दीजिए, थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जान कभी बाहों को दीजिए। आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए, आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए। वक्त बर्बाद न बिन बात की बातों में कीजिए, वक्त बर्बाद न बिन बात की बातों में कीजिए। आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए, आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए।
जान की कुर्बानी ले ले दिल भर जानी, तबाही पक्की है आज तू मेहरबानी। जान की कुर्बानी ले ले दिल भर जानी, तबाही पक्की है आज तू मेहरबानी।
मेरे महबूब समझिए जरा मौके की नजाकत, मेरे महबूब समझिए जरा मौके की नजाकत के खरीदी नहीं जा सकती हसीनों की इजाजत। नाज इतना मेरी जान, नाज इतना भी नहीं खोखले वादों पे कीजिए। आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए, आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए।
Well, absolutely, definitely watch Stree 2 because we loved Stree. As far as this music is concerned, the song is very, very melodious. The beats are nice. I still think that Tamanna Bhatia's choreography, the whole thing does not match the song as well. But when the chorus for the male singers comes in with Pankaj Tripathi and Rajkumar Rao, and it gels very well. This is the second song that I'm watching of Tamanna. There was another one in Tamil, I guess, right?
With Rajinikanth.
Yeah, Rajinikanth, yeah. Where she did really well. So in this also the picturization is good, but I still feel that the song and the choreography does not match. But what's your opinion?
Yeah, I think the dance, the steps. Some of the steps were really good, but this seemed like more like a mujra kind of a song. So would have been a lot better, I would think, if the costume and the setting was a little different. But I enjoyed how they incorporated the characters in the song and the scenes of and absolutely love Rajkumar Rao and Pankaj Tripathi, their expressions, even the dance steps, right? Rajkumar Rao, we have seen him dance really well, but pulling off as if he doesn't know to dance, it's really nice to see.
Yeah, Rajkumar Rao brings in that what do you call a natural ability based on the character he plays. You're absolutely right. The dance sequence that he performs, he did the similar stuff in Monica, Oh My Darling, when he gets to stay on the stage with Huma Qureshi's character. He just goes crazy with his dance steps, and it looks so natural. Long back in Satya, when Manoj Bajpayee, his character, goes to a wedding, he did a dance that was very different from what we were seeing at that time with dance going on in other movies. So it was so refreshing. Now Rajkumar Rao does similar kind of things where he is so into the character, and it's the character that is dancing that makes so fun to watch. So you guys let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you are new here, please do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Our handle is NR Media 24/7. Thanks a lot for watching.
Thank you.